want to become when you become big?
Like your papa, like you.
Like me?
Yeah.
What? Tell me in detail. What you want to do?
AWS, Python, Java, iMac I want, and my own UPS, and own room and own house.
Oh, so in that house you don't want to keep your papa?
No. And Bhaiya and Mama.
So who will be there in your own house?
Mama and you will and
So what you will do?
and then Arav and then that only me and Mama, you and Arav.
Okay, 4 people.
Yeah.
What you will do in your house, your own house?
I will just do work on my
Which kind of work you will do?
AWS, Python,
Or do you want to go office also when you become big?
No.
You don't want to go office?
That one Windows 10 so I can play Minecraft.
Windows 10.
Yeah.
Then how you make the money?
Money. I get one money gun and I'll shoot money.
Oh, you will get the money gun.
Yeah.
And you get the money.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the things you want to keep in your house?
Bed, obviously, dining table, TV, headboard, TV head, speaker, 3 monitor connect to iMac. No, not a monitor. I'll make iMac triple screen. I'll get triple iMac Pro, and I will get.
But everything are there in your house right now.
Yeah.
Why you want to have one new house? You can stay here only.
I don't have upstairs.
You want upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
For that you need to drill the whole ceiling.
Oh, ceiling.
Yeah.
Okay. But why you want to? How many story house you want?
How many upstairs you want?
30. What you will do in all the story?
One I will sleep, one I will eat, one I will stay still, one I will do editing, one I will.
What editing?
Any video editing.
Video editing. Okay.
And iMac and sound editing.
Sound editing. Okay.
So if I make any song, round and round and round.
Okay. And who will cook the food for you?
Mama, obviously.
Okay. And with whom you will play?
Arav.
Okay. And what you want to study now?
AWS.
AWS.
Yeah.
Okay. Any machine learning, artificial intelligence?
I know Python.
From artificial intelligence, you can make a robot.
Python.